A missing mom, an estranged husband, and now a murder trial.
The trial of Doug Stewart, charged with killing his wife Venus, is set for jury selection in St. Joseph County tomorrow morning. We just got some new details straight from the courthouse late this afternoon. Clerks say 120 potential jurors are scheduled to show up in the morning. The judge has 80 more on standby.
The prosecution has 70 people on its witness list, and the trial could last 3 weeks. 24-hour News 8's Danny Carlson has been on this story for months now and will be your eyes and ears in the courtroom.
All right, Mom, end video. Give me a smile. Bye, Mom.
Doug Stewart's a monster.
That's what St. Joseph County Prosecutor John McDonough will try to prove to a jury, that Doug Stewart killed his estranged wife Venus Stewart, the mother of his 2 children.
He told me that he jumps out and she was either 2 to 5 feet away, and she screams one time, and she tried putting up a fight, but he was able to get her in that headlock with his arms. And he said that a drop of blood came from her nose and then it hit the concrete.
But what happened after Doug Stewart allegedly killed his wife, police don't know.
Certainly, it's much easier to try a homicide case with a body. However, I believe that the investigation has given us enough to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he is in fact the person and that she is in fact deceased.
Whether prosecutors have evidence beyond what we've reported so far will come out at trial. What we already know, there's a star witness and bloodstains. Ricky Spencer, who says he met Stewart through online gaming, has testified before that Stewart asked him to give him an alibi in Virginia for the day Venus disappeared. Also expected to play a major role, bloodstains police say they found in Stewart's car and truck, evidence listed on a search warrant we obtained just days after Venus vanished.
Venus! Venus!
The prosecutor would no doubt like the jury to hear from Venus's family and friends.
He was trying to ruin her life so he could get control of the kids. And in by getting control of the children, he knew he could have anything from her. If he controlled the kids, then he had everything he wanted.
And read in Venus's own handwriting that she was scared of her estranged husband and thought Doug Stewart was going to kill her.
And I know she would never leave on her own. There's no way she would ever leave on her own. She loved her kids.
But if the jury will hear from Venus's family or read her writings is up to Judge Paul Stutzman. He's already decided, but we won't find out which way until the trial starts. Stutzman issued a gag order in this case months ago, efforts to keep potential jurors from forming opinions before the trial even starts. In St. Joseph County, Danny Carlson, 24-Hour News 8.